Welcome to the Herb Chilli Festival. It's such a big day. There's so many people to see, so many people to talk to, so many stands, so many drinks to try, so much food to try. I want to see you come down and have a chat and get as much information as possible.
Uncle Mungo has prepared the chicken wings from Hades. He's here to take the pain right to you. That's a lot of Scoville, that's a lot of heat.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh yeah, okay, and they're off and racing. Julius is the champion!
So the idea is we have a series of progressively hotter chilies.
2 out! It kind of looks, just in its nature, the way it grows, it looks a bit frightening.
Catch you at the Herb Chilli Festival.